So friends, we have missingpeopleinfo.com. We are unfolding a new platform, great coordinations for this event. All the online support has been done by Milind Dige, and the face recognition software has been developed by Dr. Sitich Vasan Doble, who's done his PhD in data mining from New Zealand, Auckland University of Technology. So that's Dr. Sitich Doble. Friends, without Suhani's efforts for this event, who put the activity together, this is being unfolded today with her coordination and event management efforts. Thanks a lot, Suhani. And of course, thanks a lot to all of you being here. I would now like to request Sitish Doble to give a live demo of the software. Thanks a lot, team. Sitish Doble will give a live demo of what this software can do. Inaugurate the website. Today, this website is going to go live. Mr. Ajay Devgan, who we are fortunate that it is coinciding with him getting the Padma Shri also, has agreed to become the brand ambassador of this initiative, and Ms. Kajol has consented to be the chief guest today, and she will be launching the website. It will be live from today. We expect thousands and lakhs of volunteers across the country. This is going to search for people pan-India. Lakhs of volunteers. Whenever you see beggars, launch the website. Come. I would then like to request you to go on to the website and give a live feedback. Doble Sahib, if you can also join us, please. Just so friends, thanks to her, it is launched. There is a short message that Mr. Ajay Devgan has sent us with the help of technology again. He could not make it here because of a chaotic schedule in Bulgaria, but we would like to play that message for all of you.
I'm happy to be a part of Mr. Vasant Doble and his team's initiative to find missing people.
Though I'm not physically present with you all today, मैं चाहता हूं कि आप सब भी इस नोबल कॉज से जुड़ें।
I would now like to request Ms. Kajol to say a few words on this initiative and the occasion.
First of all, let me say I'm really, really privileged and honored to be here with Mr. Doble. I have very high regard for him. I think he's an enormously amazing man. Secondly, this initiative in particular, missingpeoplesinfo.com, missingpeopleinfo.com. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful initiative. I think it's got so much potential, and the fact that we're doing it today, here and now, it's going to help so many people. So you're going to get blessed, and तुम्हाला खूप आशीर्वाद भेटणार आहे त्याच्यानंतर. तर I'm very happy to be here. Thank you.
We would now like to request the audience to ask few questions related to the initiative. My request is to keep the questions to the subject. Okay. Milind, Nimesh, put on the website.
तुम्ही पण या खाली इथे.
We would now like to request audience to ask questions which can be addressed to.
Mr. Doble, big congratulations for this fantastic initiative. My question to you is now when the number of missing people is increasingly high, alarmingly high, you know, how this, the portal, this website is going to bring it down, and is the Department of Police also is going to, you know, support this event? Thank you.
Now see, every year thousands of people are going missing. Out of that, 90% people are returning home on their own or traced by their relatives. The remaining 10% have to be traced by the police or the concerned authorities. Now, searching them physically is quite difficult, so we have developed this app and the website with the help of the technology, which will help us to trace the remaining missing people, and this will also help the police to reduce their work. Thank you.
Namaskar, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Namaskar.
Sir, is this activity pan-India or only for Maharashtra?
आता लगेच मुंबई आणि महाराष्ट्रासाठी सुरू करणार आहे आणि थोड्याच दिवसात ती प्रत्येक भाषेमध्ये संपूर्ण भारतासाठी उपलब्ध राहील.
धन्यवाद, sir.
Namaskar, congratulations.
Thank you.
It is a very big step and very supportive. I remember that few months back my niece was missing, and Rajesh has given me your number, and I called you late in the evening, night actually, and I got a great support from you. So my question is how people from villages will be benefited by this?
Now the people from the villages like farmers and all, they are all knowing well how to operate these mobile and websites, so that we'll spread the help of these great people with us to know the people how to lodge the complaint or how to load the information about the missing people. It will help us to trace them even in cities and even in at villages. Thank you.
Hello, hi Kajal. Kajal, right here. A question to you, Kajal, on your extreme left. Yeah. आपके भी लाइफ में कभी आपको जरूरत पड़ी और in extremely search of someone in your lifespan, Kajal? They are searching someone desperately for a day.
No, I am not searching. I'm searching for rest and peace most of the time.
So how, according to you, it would be helpful missing people info.com?
I think it's going to be very helpful. I think I heard that lady's question as well, and let me clarify that. According to what I have been explained about the website, is that once you are a volunteer, you have to simply upload the picture onto the website, and you have to simply put in where you have clicked this picture as a volunteer. So that is the extent of your contribution to finding and contributing to the website, and that in itself, I think, makes it so viable for each and every one of us in this country to take a step forward, because I think we're all worried most of the time. Okay, you know, what if we do this? How much of our involvement will it take? And that's one of the major points that I felt is a very pro and plus to this website, that anybody can click a picture of the beggars around you, of the people around you who you think are homeless, who you think may have a home somewhere and have not been able to find it for whatever reasons, especially the children that we see. So I think I think it's something that is honestly, I'm glad that we started it here in Maharashtra. I hope that we can eventually. I hope that they can eventually link it to all the police stations and FIRs that are have been put up all over the country. I think that in itself will make such a huge database and link all the agencies throughout the country. So I think the purpose is fantastic. I know for a fact that once they do that, that in itself will make a huge library and a huge difference to all the missing people all over the country.
Ma'am, I have one more question for you that is off the topic. Will you permit me to ask you that? Because it's difficult to find you.
Our request, please be limited to the subject. Any more questions?
I am here simply as a stand-in to my other half today. Yes, I am simply here as a stand-in to my other half. But yes, whatever support I can offer morally, I will definitely do so. And I think Ajay is more than enough. More than enough.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, the children's, those are found begging or used as in child labors or for the human trafficking, so far the poor girls are concerned. So we are very much trying to trace them through this technology as whether they have been reported missing somewhere at some police station in corner of the
They would have to be reported missing. That has to be made clear. That they would have to be reported missing, and the FIR will have to be there in the record of the police files. So before they can take it up as a missing persons case.
Now, it's simple. Somebody needs to shoot them, in the sense, record a video or click a picture and upload it to the website. Those ladies, when their missing report is registered, their data will be on our system. Then those videos or photos which are uploaded by the volunteers will catch that. The person who's uploading the photo will also give us the location because of the unique IP number of the your mobile. Immediately local police station will be informed. The girl or that lady will be rescued, and basis of the complaint with the concerned police station, the person will be forwarded to that police station. Now that's the reason Mr. Vasant Doble is agreed. That's the reason a person with the background of Mr. Vasant Doble, when he is going to be there in place, do you think this city can get a better filter in place?
काजल मैम आपके सामने आपके इधर कई ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स पे कई मिसिंग बच्चे रहते हैं, कई मिसिंग लोग रहते हैं जो भीख भी मांगते हैं. तो क्या हम उम्मीद करें कि आप ही ये शुरुआत करेंगी कि मिसिंग लोगों की फ़ोटो क्लिक करके इस वेबसाइट पे डालेंगी?
ज़रूर, अगर मुझे लगता है, I will be definitely one of the volunteers, and I think that it's something to do with what all of us believe somewhere. जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि हम सब सोचते हैं कि कभी कभी कि हमें हाथ देना नहीं चाहिए, या कभी कभी हमें मदद नहीं करनी चाहिए क्योंकि हम बीच में पड़ जाएंगे तो हमारा क्या होगा. तो हम शायद थोड़े सेल्फिशली सोचते हैं, और शायद ये इस वजह से भी सोचते हैं कि ओ माय गॉड, हाँ कितना सारा करना पड़ेगा, मुझे पुलिस स्टेशन जाना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ नाइस वे ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस स्टैंडिंग अप. और मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि जो द वे वी as citizens, as Mumbaikars, I would say that we have this fantastic ability. हम में सब ये ability है मुंबईकर में कि हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं, हम खड़े होके एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. I think so that's something that I think all of us as people, as citizens, as human beings will get up and do it. Yes, and it's made easier. I think that's why the website is so awesome actually.
Yeah, Brett.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Fantastic initiative. So this database, ये आपका fresh database होने वाला? You're going to backtrack the database from the government, from the polices already. So are we starting fresh out here? Means पूरा नया database create करने वाले for searching, or is it the past that we're picking up?
Today onwards it will be a fresh.
Okay.
in coordination with the police or the concerned agency, will try to get the backdated data also, which will be helpful to us to trace the missing people, those who are already on the record of police.
So फिलहाल सर ये प्राइवेट इनिशिएटिव है या गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव? इट्स अ प्राइवेट इनिशिएटिव? ये प्राइवेट इनिशिएटिव है?
Of course, yes.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Thanks.
Do you have a certain prescribed time for that?
मैडम गारंटी तो हमारे कल की भी नहीं है. जिंदे रहेंगे तो ढूंढते रहेंगे जब तक जिंदे हैं. थैंक यू.
We'll take some 3 or 4 quick questions.
Yeah, we have an form on the website itself. So those who want to join this initiative as a volunteer, they can visit this site and fill the form. So they will be, after proper verification, they will be taken on record as a volunteers. Thank you.
How will you be using social media to aid this search in terms of getting volunteers on board and in creating awareness? And will you be developing a mobile app as well?
मॅडम आता याच्यामध्ये एक मोबाईलवरती ॲप डेव्हलप करून टाकणार आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये फेसबुक किंवा ट्विटर किंवा व्हॉट्सॲपचं इंटिग्रेट करून त्याचा उपयोग आपण हे हरवलेल्या लोकांना शोधण्यासाठी करणार आहोत. थँक्यू. Now see, after a person that is minor, below the 18 years of age, reported missing to the police are bound to record the FIR, register the FIR. The adults, they will register as an missing person, adult missing person. They will give you numbers, FIR number or missing person number. That number is to be uploaded on the particular that form. We'll cross-check with the police with whom that complaint is registered. If it is found that this is a genuine complaint, then only we'll upload this on our server, and then from the data will be created, and then it will be searched from that. Yeah. Of course, yes.
Mr. Dhuble, इधर सामने.
There.
Yeah, people are missing you these days.
No, I want to just say Mr. Doble's face is not on this website.
So where can we find you these days?
On the same website. You write a message and he will respond.
सर कुछ याद करते हैं डर के, कुछ याद करते हैं खुशी में आपको इन दिनों. उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
डर के याद करते हैं, कोई डरता, यहाँ कोई डरा हुआ तो दिखता नहीं मुझे.
तभी तो नहीं आए सर. मिसेस देवगन, मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. अजय जी को पद्मश्री से सम्मानित किया गया है. हमसे तो बात हो नहीं पाई, कुछ आप कहना चाहेंगी उसके लिए?
मैं क्या कहूँ एक्चुअली, मैंने जो कहना है वो कह दिया है. बट ऑफ कोर्स वी आर वेरी वेरी प्राउड, वी आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड it's a very celebratory mood right now. So thank you.
Now,
Would the press like to ask any further questions?
websites and all that. Thank you, sir.
who are actually in the public, they get this.
Any of the citizen of this country will be accepted as a volunteer, provided we'll verify his antecedents and then only.
And the verification also pretty easy process. It is just like when you create a Facebook or a Twitter account. Where if you have a Facebook account or a Twitter account or a LinkedIn account, you'll be immediately accepted as a volunteer. But your movements will be monitored. Whether it should not be vested interest or it should not be something which will be with an intention to harm somebody's reputation. Once that verification is done by the back office team, then it will be open for accepting all information that you'll upload from your mobile. The best part is, there is no hassles for the volunteers who will upload information. They will not be contacted again. Once the information comes to us, the backend team will do the job and get in touch with the concerned people at the police station or the other government agencies. One last question we will take.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Mr. Doble. Hi, Rajesh.
Thank you.
So this platform is a wonderful platform. How can we use it for wanted criminals? Because we have all the data and know this is something which definitely can be, this is a wonderful platform because it recognizes images. So if we have at the airports or maybe at many places, how it can be helpful for that particular thing?
हरवलेल्या लोकांना शोधण्यासाठी आम्ही प्रथम प्रयत्न करणार आहे. क्रिमिनल्स लोकांना शोधणे पोलिसांचं काम आहे. त्यांना ते जर वाटलं आमची मदत पाहिजे तर आम्ही जरूर करू.
Yeah.
So warm wishes for the initiative. I do not want to sound negative at this point of time, but that has always been an irony that such projects, whenever they take off, they die a natural death over a period of time. Most of the people will agree with me. So what are the 3 major steps you people are taking to ensure that this website or this kind of initiative keeps on? Thank you.
One of the major steps, I think, would be this press conference in itself. The fact that we're all standing here on this stage, the fact that we expect the media and the print और जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे बैठे हुए जो इनकी बातें करेंगे, जो प्रिंट करेंगे, छापेंगे, लोगों को बताएंगे कि ये ज़रूरी है और ये करना चाहिए और इनके बारे में बताएंगे. तो ये एक पहला बहुत बड़ा कदम है. वो that is what I think, and as far as the rest is, I think they will continue with that. I'm sure that the successes will be talked about. I'm sure that they will talk about who has been found, and when children are reunited, it's a beautiful, wonderful, positive moment. जैसे मिस्टर डोबले ने पहले भी बताया, वो एक लड़की के बारे में जो 5.5 साल की उम्र में वहाँ पे जम्मू कश्मीर में मिली थी. तो वो भी एक अच्छी चीज़, वो बहुत मतलब एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है, इंटरेस्टिंग पॉजिटिव चीज़ है. और आई एम श्योर ऐसी चीज़ें वो बताते रहेंगे जैसे 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 होते रहेगा, जैसे जैसे अभी पहला दिन है, पहला कदम है.
लेकिन ये पहला कदम 2 साल पहले लिया गया था. This is a group and team of self-motivated people who are from the industry, very successful in their own individual domains. This is not recommended by anybody or supported by anybody. On their own, they have started this initiative. It will go on very successfully depending not only on the support that we get from people like you, but on our own, we will always be doing it. And Mr. Vasant Doble is known to pursue things very hard. So even if we become a little lazy or we become a little weak, we have got a team leader with us who will make sure that along with him we are also
स्टिक लेके आएंगे पीछे.
Yes, dear.
पुलिस में हायरार्की है. अगर पुलिस स्टेशन में कंप्लेंट नहीं रजिस्टर करते तो उसके बॉसेस को मिल सकते हैं. आपको वो गाइड करेंगे. So that is what I have learned during the last 40 years. I will take care of it.
He has found 7,000 people in 2 years. It is a multiplying effect now. Yes?
Welcome.
Thank
we'll
you.
Take your help whenever it
Thank
is
you.
required.
Sure. Thank you for the suggestion. So I think we are the last question.
I think more than question, I think this is amazing initiative taken by the Doble staff. Great platform created by Rajesh ji for launch of this website. And I must thank to Ajay Devgan and his wife Kajol ji for sparing their valuable time and becoming the brand ambassador and today coming here and supporting for this great cause. I think more than anybody, I think we all have to be part of this initiative on our own, because there is something called giving back to the society. This is a great platform created. I think we must give a big round of applause to these people for this great cause and be part of it.
Thank you, friends. And I would like to request Mr. Mahesh Mudda to come up and give a floral tribute to Kajol. I would like to request Mr. Nagu Chidambaram to come up and give a floral to Mr. Vasant Doble. So with that, friends, on a parting shot, I would like to request each one of you to tweet this, spread it on the Facebook, because as much as people come to know about it, it is going to be more and more successful. And since the website is launched, the feedback column is also on. Let public give their feedback. Start interacting with us. Start uploading pictures. Become volunteers. Inspire others to become volunteers and make this initiative a great success. Thanks a lot for being here. Have a lovely evening. Thank you. God bless you.